Hello, good morning, friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Asapura School, and welcome all of you once again, dear students. Do you know very well? Today हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं आज एक्सरसाइज 8.1 के सॉल्यूशन के साथ, जो कि हमारा लेसन चल रहा है। पहले 3 वीडियो हमने एक्सप्लेनिंग वीडियोस आपको दिए थे टेक्सचुअल बेस पर, और आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 8.1 के सॉल्यूशंस को। तो शुरुआत करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 8.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के साथ, जो कि आपकी स्क्रीन पर हैं। In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 meter, and determine sin A cos A, or also sin C and cos C. सबसे पहले अप्लाइंग पाइथागोरस थियरम फॉर ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, वी ऑप्टेन एस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर। कहने का मतलब सबसे पहले हम ट्राइंगल की जो रिमेनिंग साइड है इसे पाइथागोरस थियरम का यूज़ करते हुए फाइंड आउट करेंगे। So therefore 24 square plus 7 square, 24 square is equal to 576, and 7 square is equal to 49. So therefore 576 plus 49 centimeter square equal to 625 square. That means S square is equal to 625 centimeter square. Now square root both the side, and finally we get SC is equal to 25 centimeter. अब हमारे पास तीनों मेजरमेंट्स हैं। ए बी इज इक्वल टू 24 सेंटीमीटर, बी सी इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर, एंड एस सी इज इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर नाउ। सो फर्स्ट रेशियो साइन ए इज इक्वल टू side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse, that means BC upon AC is equal to 7 by 25, and cos A is equal to side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse equal to AB upon AC. Now put the value of AB and AC, and finally we get 24 by 25. Second one, अब C को यहाँ पर रेफरेंस एंगल लिया है, सो देयरफॉर sin C is equal to side opposite to angle C divided by hypotenuse, and is equal to AB upon AC equal to 24 by 25, and cos C is equal to sine adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse is equal to BC upon AC is equal to 7 by 25. चलिए दूसरे क्वेश्चन की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। इन द गिवन फिगर फाइंड 10p minus cot R. In triangle PQR, angle Q is the right angle. So applying Pythagoras theorem for triangle PQR, we obtain PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here PR is equal to 13 and PQ is equal to 12, and we want to find QR square. So therefore QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. So 13 square minus 12 square. 13 13s are 169 and 12 12s are 114. So therefore QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. We get 25. So QR square is equal to 25 square. Now square root of both the side, QR is equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore 10p is equal to side opposite to angle P divided by side adjacent to angle P. We get QR upon PQ is equal to 5 by 12. And cot R is equal to side adjacent to angle R divided by side opposite to angle R is equal to QR by PQ is also equal to 5 by 12. Now put the value in the result. 10p minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Therefore we get 0. Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Let's triangle ABC be a right angle triangle, at point B. So given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4, that means BC upon AC is equal to 3 by 4. Let's BC be 3K, and therefore AC will be 4K, where K is the positive integer, and applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now put the value here. AC is equal to 4K and BC is equal to 3K. Then we get AB square is equal to 4K square minus 3K square. 4 4s are 16K square, and 3 3s are 9K square. So therefore AB square is equal to 16K square minus 9K square. We get AB square is equal to 7K square. Now take square root both the sides. So therefore AB is equal to under root 7 into K. And now use the value here. Cos A is equal to sine adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse is equal to AB upon AC equal to under root 7 into K by 4K. K is cancelled out, which is the common factor, and finally we get cos A is equal to under root 7 by 4. Now tan A is equal to sine opposite to angle A divided by sine adjacent to angle A. Therefore BC upon AB, now put the value here, 3K divided by under root 7 into K. Once again, K is the cancel out, which is the common factor, and we get tan A is equal to 3 divided by under root 7. One more question here. Question number 4 on your screen. Give 15 cot A is equal to 8 and find sine A and sec A. Consider a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Cos A is equal to side adjacent to angle A divided by side opposite to angle A, therefore AB upon BC. It is given that cot A is equal to 8 by 15 and therefore AB upon BC is equal to 8 by 15. So let AB be 8K and therefore BC will be a 15K, where K is the positive integer, and applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here put the value, AB is equal to 8K and BC is equal to 15K. So we get 8K square, 8K whole square plus 15K whole square, 8 8s are 64K square plus 15 15s are 225K square. So finally we get AC square is equal to 289K square, and now take square root both the side, we get AC is equal to 17K. Now use the values of sides of the triangle. First, sine A is equal to side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse is equal to BC upon AC. So 15K divided by 17K, K is the cancel out, and we get sine A is equal to 15 by 17. Second, sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle A. Therefore, AC upon AB is equal to 17 by 8. One more question, look here, question number 5 on your screen. Give sec A is equal to 13 by 12 and calculate all other trigonometry ratio. Consider a triangle, a right angle triangle ABC, a right angle at point B. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon side adjacent to theta. Therefore, 13 by 12 is equal to AC upon AB. If AC is equal to 13K, AB will be 12K, and where K is the positive integer, applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is equal to 13K and AB is equal to 12K, and we want to find out BC square. So BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square is also equal to 13K whole square minus 12K whole square. 13 13s are 169K square minus 12 12s are 144K square. So we get BC square is equal to 25K square. Now take square root both the side, we get BC is equal to 5K. Sin theta now is equal to side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Therefore BC upon AC is equal to 5K by 13K, K is cancelled out, and we get 5 by 13. Cos theta is equal to sine adjacent to angle theta by hypotenuse equal to AB upon AC is equal to 12K upon 13K, and we get 12 by 13, K is cancelled. Tan theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta by side adjacent to angle theta. Therefore BC upon AB is equal to 5K by 12K. K is cancelled once again, and we get tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Similarly, cot theta is equal to reciprocal of the tan theta. So we can write here. Also in the second way, side adjacent to angle theta by side opposite to angle theta. Therefore AB upon BC is equal to 12K by 5K, and we get 12 by 5. And similarly, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta. That means AC upon BC is equal to 13K divided by 5K is equal to 13 by 5. Now, question number 6 on your screen. Look here. If angle A and B are acute angle such as cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So let's consider a triangle ABC in which CD is perpendicular to AB. It's given that cos A is equal to cos B. So therefore AD upon AC is equal to BD upon BC is called result number 1. We have to prove angle A equal to angle B. To prove this, let's extend AC to P such that BC is equal to CP. Look here. From equation number 1, we obtain AD upon BD is equal to AC upon BC, and therefore AD upon BD is equal to AC upon CP. By construction, we have BC is equal to CP is called result number 2. By using the converse of BPT, CD is parallel to BP, and therefore angle ACD is also equal to angle CPB, which is the corresponding angles, is called the result number 3, and angle BCD is also equal to angle CBP, is the alternative interior angles which are equal, is called result number 4. By construction, we have BC equal to CP, and therefore angle CBP is equal to angle CPB. Angle opposite to equal sides of the triangle is result number 5. From equation number 3, 4 and 5, we obtain angle ACD is equal to angle BCD is called number 6. In triangle CAD and CBD, angle ACD equal to angle BCD by using result number 6. CDA is also equal to CDB because both the right angle, and therefore remaining angles should be the equal. Therefore angle CAD is equal to angle CBD, and we can write in the abbreviation form. Angle CAD is called the angle A and angle CBD is called angle B. So finally we get angle A equal to angle B. एक और अल्टरनेटिव इसकी प्रूफ है जो कि आपके स्क्रीन पर यहाँ पर आपकी जानकारी के लिए। लुक हियर, ये इसकी अल्टरनेटिव प्रूफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 को लेकर। चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ, लेकिन नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, इस वीडियो में हम यहीं पर विराम करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 8.1 सॉल्यूशन वीडियो में पहले वीडियो के साथ, जो कि हमारा कंटिन्यू 4th वीडियो रहेगा, जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चन 1 से लेकर 6 तक आपके साथ डिस्कस किया। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जो कि हमारा वीडियो नंबर 5 होगा। तब तक के लिए आज्ञा दीजिए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय।